Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking onto this video. I will try to make this intro very short. If you came on here and you're interested in how I achieved this eye look mostly, and whatever else I put on my face, please stay tuned. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. I don't really know what to call the look. I just wanted to do something. I used the It's My Rare palette, first palette. My lips, I just wanted to let you know what the combination is. The lip liner, it's any brown lip liner that you used. I used my brown eyeliner from NYX, and the lip combination is Milani lipstick and a NYX lip butter, no, soft matte cream. And the Milani lipstick is number 64 Matte Orchid, which is a fuchsia pink, and I used the red to diffuse it. This is the Monte Carlo, and that's how I was able to achieve this pretty beautiful lip color. I do hope that you will enjoy this tutorial. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, see what you like. If you do like what you see, then hit the subscribe button. Share this video if you like, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye. Enjoy.